Welcome to another Form Types in DocuSign video. In this video, I will show you how to mask a field in DocuSign and push to Salesforce. Okay, let's get started. Let's go and add a document. And we'll call this document mask agreement. And now masking field is, let's get to the basics right away. I want you to focus on this field here, donated amount. Okay, and this is a text field, but we're going to add a mask to this field. So we'll go to validation, and under validation you've got something called use mask. Alright, and then you can just simply add any mask value to it. So something like this, n, and then you can even add, tell you what you can do, you can add a $sign and USD, something like that. So that's a mask there now, like this. Then what you can do is you can also push this value to Salesforce if it's a text field. However, if it's like a numeric field and you got a mask on top of it, it's not going to work. And I'll explain that in another video. We've got something called clear before push. But for now, let's just focus on use mask functionality. Okay, so once you've got checked this and you've got it enabled, you put your mask in there, you're good to go. Now it's just a matter of bringing the other fields. I'll bring them over here. Keep it wider, and then simply go ahead and paste them in here like this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tag these and also give them their labels. Last name goes here. Then go ahead and tag this as well. Email. This will just be email, and I believe it's also the label is, we'll give it an email there. Mobile. And then here we'll call this donated amount mask. And in the label, we'll just call this donated amount. So done. And then we'll just add our signature and we are good to go. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this document public access. Just keep it simple really. For now, public and no protection. And then we'll push this to Salesforce. Set push, add object. We'll do contact. Choose that again, add a little comment, and then simply just map the fields. Last name will go last name, first name will go first name, email will go email, and then I've got a mask field that I'm going to also link it to that, and then finally mobile will go mobile. Then let's have a look at all our map fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. And then I'm also going to push this as a file, so let's do files. We'll give it a title, donated amount agreement. And then finally we'll do version data, which is going to be your document. So these are all our map fields. Perfect. We are good to go. Now apply and finish. Publish. Let's take the URL. View. Let's paste it. And now you can see that I've got mask here. See this? USD. So now I can just add some data. I can say a mask blogs and blogs at formtitan.com. We'll add a 44, something like this. Donated amount 100, and then we'll go ahead and sign it. Like this. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and finish sign. It's going to go ahead and submit this document. Now, let's have a look at integration log, what's happened in there. Let's go and check. Okay, so it looks like the contact has been created. So let's go and see. All right, you can see that the mask value has also come into this really nicely. Okay, looks really nice. And now if we go in here, you can see the mask value is there as well. And there is our signature. And this is how it's done. It's really that simple. If you don't have any validation rules on a field, this is just a normal text field which can accept any characters. This is fine. So not an issue whatsoever. And then even if you want a confirmation in your email, it will also come through the mask field. So this is all we did. Just to recap, this field here, I went to the validation, I added a simple mask like this, and that has now resulted in to my Salesforce field just as is, and also my document like this. And this is how it's done.